Sa panahon ngayon, parang ang bilis lang pumasok sa relationships. Kahit hindi pa ready ang puso, kahit hindi pa tama ang timing, parang gusto na agad maranasan ang love. Pero may wisdom ang Bible tungkol dito. Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Hi guys, especially sa mga kabataang nanonood. Today, let's talk about love and God's timing. Sa culture natin ngayon, parang normal na agad ang pumasok sa relationship kahit hindi pa ready emotionally, spiritually, o mentally. Sometimes, people rush love because they feel lonely. Sometimes they rush love because everyone else seems to be in a relationship. Parang may pressure na kapag single ka, may kulang sa buhay mo. Pero kapatid, here's the truth. Not everything that feels good is right at the right time. May mga feelings na totoo, pero hindi pa iyon ang tamang season. Sabi nga Song of Solomon chapter 2 verse 7, do not awaken love until it so desires. Or in other versions, ang sabi doon, do not awaken love until it pleases. Napakagandang wisdom nito. Ibig sabihin, may tamang panahon ang love. Hindi lahat ng attraction ay love. Hindi lahat ng feelings ay God's will. At hindi lahat ng relationship ay para sa tamang panahon. Kapag minadali natin ang relationship, madalas nauwi ito sa heartbreak, confusion, at regrets. Pero kapag dumating ang love sa tamang timing ni Lord, mas healthy ito, mas mature, at mas pleasant. Alam mo, we should realize na minsan ginagamit ni God ang waiting season natin para ihanda tayo. He prepares our character, our maturity, and even our understanding of what love truly means. Because love is not just about feelings. It's about responsibility, commitment, and purpose. Kaya kung ikaw ay nasa season ng waiting ngayon, huwag mong isipin na napag-iiwanan ka na. Hindi ka late, hindi ka forgotten. Remember this, God is not delaying you. God is preparing you. At kapag dumating ang tamang tao sa tamang panahon, mas magiging malinaw kung bakit kailangan mo munang maghintay. So trust God's timing even when it feels slow. The right love at the wrong time is still the wrong love. So if this message encouraged you today, share it with someone who might need this wisdom about relationships. God bless you, kapatid.